Hi everyone, we'll go back to another YouTube video. This is day 2. And we're at this camp in Long Beach. If you haven't seen our last video, but I sat here when we were driving there, and I showed you stuff, and we did a time lapse. And when we got here, we grabbed a flashlight, and we walked on the trail, and it was really dark. And along that trail over there, it's like way over there, it leads to the beach. We also have a metal detector, a kite, well, small metal detector. It's a kid's one, but it really works. It's not like a plastic one you get from the dollar store. And we also, out there, you probably can't see it, but there's a fishing magnet. And we're gonna go out there at Long Beach. Yesterday in the dark, I sat here and I did a time lapse of us driving there in the dark. And then we walked on the trail in the dark with a headlamp. And I'm gonna show you around the camp, and soon after that, we'll walk on the trail to get to the beach. Subscribe, and let's do this. Oh, and here's my golden retriever. His name's Charlie. Say hi, Charlie. I don't have him in any of my videos, except for the survival show. Anyway, I'm gonna go out and show you guys our campsite. So here we got our fishing magnet and the net, because you don't get to magnet anything quite yet. And here's the fireplace. I don't even know if we're supposed to use it. We're probably not going to use it. Yeah, I got a bucket. We got a metal detector, but we have no shovel, which there's a chance we can get it at the store. There's a store. Quiet. And there's a tackle box there. There's was a fishing rod. It's inside, but we're not going to use it. Obviously, we just brought it just in case, which we're not going to use it, obviously. But yeah, so yesterday we walked on that trail. On this trail, we actually went out to the open, where the beach would be, and way down there is where the entrance is, and also there's a shop, and we might get a shovel there. We'll go to the shop before we go out to the beach, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, yeah, it's okay. Like 5 minutes later, we're gonna go dump the trash we have, and my dad is in there getting ready, and once he's ready, when we come back, we're gonna go to the beach, but we're gonna go dump the trash and also go to the shop. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we're approaching the area. I think they have cabins over there or something. It's the entrance right up here, and the store's right up here as well. Shop. Let's come on in. Here's a dog off leash area. There's a bench. There's another bench. So the dogs could play around without being on leash. And the shop is over there. We'll check out that in a minute. There's also a play structure over there.
Yes, I'll come back to you, then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Okay, I just did a time lapse. We just let Charlie run around in there. Our dog, golden retriever. And we might get a shovel. It's a chance. It makes sense because it is a beach shop. That would help because I forgot to grab one. I don't know how I forgot that, but to metal detector, you're gonna need a shovel. Anyway, see you guys there. Anyway, guys, so the store was really small. It's not open. Well, it actually was open, but there are no shovels, which is totally fine. We might have a shovel back there, but there are other things to do. Like tomorrow, you can go to this lake called Black Lake. There's like There's like, I think there's a waterfall there. There's like frogs, salamanders. Make sure to stay tuned for that video. And yeah, so I think today we're gonna go out to the beach. And do the metal detect, stuff like that. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to the lake. And there's salamanders and frogs, but I mean it is, yeah, well I mean it is like kind of fall, so they might not appear. But it's not bad weather around here, so they might actually appear. So yeah, see you guys there. Well, it's like a walk. That's like a walk, or we're probably gonna have to drive on our way out. We'll go to the lake tomorrow, but today I think we're gonna go be metal detecting and exploring the beach. Okay, let's do this.
Huge.
Wow.
And now we've got the team already and our golden retriever puppy. We're about to go to the beach. And tomorrow, we're gonna go to that lake. I already said this a lot, but talking a lot. Can't wait till we get to the action and explore the beach. If you haven't watched the last video, you really should. I mean, if you don't have many time, then don't. But yeah, we're gonna explore the beach. And yeah, I don't think there's rocks there though. It's a lot of sand. But there is a lake nearby with cranberries, salamanders, frogs, and like a hill with tons of salamanders on it. And there's also bike areas, trails around it. And it's really fun. I already said this, but yeah. Let's start walking to the beach. Yeah, so got a metal detector. We're only bringing this to the beach, but let's walk to the beach now. And yeah, walked here last time in the dark. But now let's do a time lapse of me running or walking to the beach. And yeah, it'll be really fun. So remember right here, I hid and I scared them when we were walking back in the dark. There's flowers. I don't know why, but yeah. Let's keep walking. See the waves over there. My GoPro can't pick it up because it's zoomed out. It's always like that. And there's these settings that are specially turned on, so I can't zoom it in, zoom forward in. It's complicated. If you have a GoPro, you might understand. Anyway, see you there. This place is cool. See the massive waves over there. We ran out here in the dark. That's wheat? Well, yeet. There's a Jeep. There's a Jeep. The Jeep over there, guys. See it? There's a Jeep. What's that?
Oh, just think how fun the Cybertruck would be.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Oh my God.
Too much fun.
It's a dune buggy. They're gonna have a Cybertruck enter the Baja.
Oh, there's a key right there. What the heck?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not a key. This is cool. Alright guys, so brought my metal detector. I just said that. Okay. But now basically got out to the ocean. This thing's being stupid. It's better. It's just too wobbly. That's better, I guess. Yeah, so start metal detecting. Turn the setting on. Okay, volume's all the way up. Sensitivities. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now it'll beep like that. Detect something. Detect I did not bring a shovel, so. Guys, this is awesome. Oh geez. Oh gosh, this is epic. awesome. Anyway, guys, I got 2 videos that I'm uploading for Henley Peaceful River. They have 6 subscribers. Haha, very funny. That's such a low subscriber count. Yeah, such a joke. It truly is a low subscriber count. A lot less than I have. But you can subscribe to them if you like peaceful footage. I stand here for like 2 minutes, 30 seconds straight. And I also did one right next to the ground. Watch water come in. It's awesome. I just stand exactly still for like 2 minutes, 30 seconds. It's metal detecting time. Check out all these little seagull tracks right here. So cool. I think these are seagulls. My dad's metal detecting below this log to see if anyone that sits down here, something might fall in their pocket, like a penny. They might get it. Wouldn't that be sick if someone brought like long ago, like I don't know, 7 years ago, someone brought their GoPro 5.
This is the National Geographic, the model 4128956A through B, and it's what Gary uses on Cursive Oak Island to find the best gadgets and top pocket finds. And what
Bobby Dazzler.
This Bobby Dazzler is in here. And if you just scan the log where people sit,
Yeah.
sometimes change will rattle out
Yeah.
of your pockets.
Wouldn't that be bussin' if someone dropped their GoPro Hero 5 and it just, like, over years, like, sand built up and we found it and it still worked? That'd be awesome. Most likely that happened to a not a camera, like a iPhone. But people would automatically notice it. It's the correct way. You don't want to go like this, like I just did a minute ago. You want to go like this. Get low to the ground. Be active. This. I'm not finding anything with this metal detector. I keep reminding myself to get low to the ground. Okay. This is my idea.
Like that. Here, I got that.
Put him in my satchel.
Perfect. That's perfect for me. You can get more. Anyway, just get a pile like this.
There's a pelican skull up here. Let's check it out. That's so... Whoa. See the beak right there? Everything?
Stop, it's fragile.
Here's a good piece, guys.
So that's the jaw.
Stop.
Here's 2 good pieces. 1,
My arms are full.
2.
Like a cool bone thing right there.
Big mammal.
Vertebrae.
Big mammal. So baby whale, dolphin,
Whatever that is.
seal,
strange.
sea lion.
This is what we got for our loot. We're gonna play a board game and watch the coup game and have a fire out here.
I'm gonna go watch the dog.
And some of us are gonna hang outside, some of us are gonna hang inside. What's that? A fossil or something?
Well, it wouldn't go.
It's a piece of
I think I know what that is.
oyster shell.
It would
Oh,
go
yeah,
back
yeah.
down to their load.
Flying a kite. Now let it fly. Do you know? You have to unwrap the line to make it go higher than that.
I know. I'm just testing it.
There we go. And it's off. Let more line out. Quick. Before it falls. Let more line out. Dude, you gotta let more line out.
No.
Oh, jeez.
Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, gosh. Can I try that? Oh, that's a good idea. Just let it unwrap. Can I try?
No.
Wanna try? No, no, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. I feel like I'm fighting a fish right now. Oh, it's going higher in the air. Soon we're gonna run back there. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. So there's this cool area we figured out. This area is cool. Oh yeah, it is kind of like a house back here. I bet there's rabbits here. Yeah. What is this? The beach is like right over
Oh,
there.
this is where the dude.
I bet. Be careful. There could be ticks all over this stuff. Crazy. Where are we even going? I don't even know where we're going. Jeez.
What are we doing? It's this way. Let's go this way.
Alright guys, I'm gonna run away and try and scare him. This place is crazy. I just need to stay here. Scare him.
Ready?
Can I scare you?
No.
Really? Okay, so we're playing hide and seek now, and he's counting. I'm trying to go over there. It's gonna be 100, so I only have like a minute or two. I'm just gonna keep walking that way. Hope he'll never find me. Oh gosh. Oh jeez. I think he's coming now. Where's he? Okay, let's go. This hill. They're hiding in the tree. See him? Is he turning around? He's behind the tree. Shoot, I don't even know if there he is. Gotcha. Okay, guys, now he's gonna hide, and I'm gonna start counting to.
100, like 1,
Yeah.
2. That's right.
Yeah.
Alright.
1, 11, 12, 13, 34, 31, 32, 33, 34, 73, 74, 75, 79, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. While I was counting, I barely got to hear, but I'm pretty sure he's over there. Got to do lots of things in this video. Pretty sure he's hiding right below these trees, kind of I hid, not in the same spot, but like same area. Not area, but like the same place, like hiding under a tree. Hear that? I heard him right over there like 3 seconds ago. Slightly moved. What's that? Is it his bag or something? Oh. But you know if I see him, he's like right over here. He's right there. Oh, I knew it. They're just hiding or checking in this area. He must be over there. Found you. Anyway, guys, that was a very long video for today. It was like probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Sorry about that. Hopefully my dad's iPad can hold the storage. It's gonna be like what, 5, 10, 15 gigabytes storage. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. It's the main video for this trip. Yesterday we went on this walk and I filmed the way we got here. I would say we didn't do that many exciting things. We did a lot of things. We played hide and seek. Like what I said is like beyond this like grass field. It's over there. Over there's like a kilometer. It's a kilometer away from this location currently right now. All the way over there is where the beach is. Technically, this is the beach still. Like a long time ago, the water used to extend up to here. But yeah, anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. Tomorrow we're gonna go to a lake, I'm pretty sure. Depends. There's a chance we might not, but I hope we will. And I think I'm gonna do some YouTube shorts or do like small little videos, like playing at the beach a little bit. Tonight we might have a little fire, play at the kite a little bit, stuff like that. So subscribe, comment, just make sure it's appropriate and nice comment. You can tell me like what else I should do, like the beach, like if I should build a sandcastle, because I don't know if I should do that. I don't really have a shovel to do that, so or a thing to create a sandcastle. But yeah, comments are now available because I do have 30 subs and I did beat my dad in subscribers, so that's yeah, just make sure the comments are appropriate. If not, you could get reported, so make sure the comments are nice, and if you don't want to comment, it's totally fine. Subscribe if you want, like the content I do, and see you guys in another awesome video. Peace out.